At 8:14 p.m., local law enforcement reported closed roadway south of Henderson near New Bethel Church Road and North Carolina 39 as well as along Opie Fraser Road. Between 2½ and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1/2 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Henderson, Kittrell, Centerville, Ingleside, Gilbert, South Henderson and Arcola. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties, in North Carolina: Franklin, Vance and Warren. At 8:51 p.m. at the Raleigh-Durham Airport, the temperature was 72 degrees.